Understanding chip budding, a key gardening technique. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the fascinating world of gardening, specifically focusing on a technique called chip budding. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or new to the field, understanding this term will broaden your gardening knowledge. So, let's dive in. Chip budding is a horticultural technique used for propagating plants. In this method, a bud from one plant is inserted into a cut made on another plant. The main reasons for using chip budding are to combine the best qualities of two plants, such as root strength from one and fruit quality from another. This technique is widely used in fruit tree cultivation and in growing roses. The process of chip budding involves several steps. 1. Selecting a bud. A healthy, mature bud is chosen from the donor plant. 2. Preparing the rootstock. A small, T-shaped cut is made in the bark of the rootstock plant. 3. Inserting the bud. The selected bud, along with a small piece of bark, is inserted into the cut. 4. Securing the bud. The bud is secured in place using a special tape or material that allows for air and moisture exchange but prevents drying out. Timing is crucial in chip budding. It's typically done in late summer or early autumn when the plants are still growing. The technique is preferred because it allows for the combination of desirable traits, offers a higher success rate compared to other grafting methods, and can be performed on a wide range of plants. Benefits: efficient way to propagate new plants. Combines traits like disease resistance and fruit quality. Challenges: requires precision and skill. Not all plant combinations are successful. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what chip budding is and how it's done. Remember, like all gardening techniques, it requires patience and practice. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video.